तेन्ना आमी यंग आसता पॉलिटिक्स, केन्ना केन्ना आमी तेन्ना जायत्यो गोश्टी जाता, मनान कितें आसलें तें पब्लिकली सांगपाक कांय ना, मनशाचें कांयच कमीपण जायना. आनी हांव मानता तो सिनियर लिडर आमच्या पार्टीचो, आनी कितें मनान कितें आसलें तें सगळें आनी इतलें हांवें देवाक मानलें आनी कितें म्हाज्या भितर हृदया भितर उरलें, हृदया भितर कितें टोचता तें कमी करत वचप मनशांनी लायफान. तें कितें हेवी करत वचपाचें नासता. तूं प्रार्थना कितें करता, प्रार्थना कितें म्हणजे खंय कितें तुका जर कितें दिसता तें कमी करत. हांवें माफी मागली म्हणून कांय व्हडलें नव्हतं, म्हाज्या पेक्षा खूब सिनियर आनी ताका हांव खूब मानता. तेणी म्हाका चीफ मिनिस्टर आसतना जायते तेणी मदत केल्ली आसा. लोक म्हणटा 70रीचो डेवलपमेंट कसो जालो, तेन्ना म्हाका तेन्ना जाय तसो मदत केली. खंय तर खंय एक्नॉलेजमेंट पब्लिकली करपाची गरज आसता. एका 4 रुमा भितर वचून पब्लिकली अपोलोजायज केल्यार काय कितें म्हणटा अर्थ कांय ना. तें you have to be a human, you should be sensitive. If something you feel like saying, you should naturally say it, not for optics or not for effect. It is something that you feel. I have a relation with him for last so many years. He was also recommended as the chief minister of Goa by my father only. So there's a relationship. It's not a relation. You have to know how to maintain a relationship. Today I and Ullas are working together. I have to make sure that I treat Ullas with a lot of respect. I may be a minister today. I mean, God has been, my leadership has been kind to give me responsibility. But same thing, I must know how to carry this responsibility and move forward by taking everybody together. Just because I am a minister and Ullas is the MLA, he must be also treated on par with a minister. That is the type of respect you must give people. By being a minister, there is no big deal. Today you are a minister, tomorrow you will be out of, you may not be a minister. It's ultimately destiny of God and my leadership. If they feel I am capable, they will kick me. But you must understand, he is there to say sorry and to apologize if whatever of the past is nothing wrong. He is much elder to me and there is nothing wrong in his conscience to apologize for something of the past. I felt I should apologize.
ना विश्वजीत राणे हो खंय चुकलो असो माफी मागपा लागून
ते कितें ते म्हाका दिगंबरा खबर आसा.